Hey guys, Mike with Daily Life. So this week's going to be a little different. I have one of those good news, bad news situations going on. The bad news, I'm not going to be able to fish for about a week and a half to 2 weeks. And that kind of stinks, so no fishing videos. But the good news is, my wife and I are surprising the kids with a trip to Disney World during their spring break. So that's going to be pretty awesome. They have no idea. I'm actually trying to record this video quick before they get home from school. I'm trying to keep an ear out for them. And then we're going to pack everything tonight, load up the car, they won't see anything, and we're pretending that we have to drop a friend off at the airport. So, you know, his flight might get delayed, and then we're going to have to, you know, stop somewhere to kill some time, and I have this whole thing planned out. I'm not going to spoil it now, you got to watch the video to see, but I don't know, I can't wait to see their faces when they find out we're really going to Disney World, because they've been asking to go. My daughter has to go to the Disney Castle every day, so this is going to be pretty cool. Stay tuned, I'll keep you guys updated. Okay, so tomorrow we leave early in the morning, and I have to go redeem these Florida resident passes. I didn't realize that if you ordered the Florida resident passes, they send you these vouchers, and then you have to actually go to the theme park and exchange them for the actual tickets, which is kind of a pain, but it gives us a day. We're going to do it at Disney Springs, so we can spend a day at Disney Springs, and there's a lot to do there, and it's a great place for me to drop the surprise on them.
Okay, so I'm trying to load up the van right now. I'm trying to be quiet too. The kids are sleeping in the in-laws RV that's at the house, so I'm trying to load everything up so in the morning it's a little less obvious. That way, you know, we can pretty much just hit the road and act like we're just bringing our buddy to the airport. So I don't know, I'm a little nervous. Hope it works.
Alright, it's morning time, but I'm way too tired for this. I'm going to make coffee and then I'll get back to you guys. Alright, that's better. So, kids are still in the RV. They haven't come into the house yet. They gotta have breakfast, and then we'll be on the way to Disney Springs. So, oh man, I'm excited. It was hard to fall asleep, but now I'm having trouble waking up. So, we'll see.
Being delayed, guys.
How long?
At least an hour or two.
What? Well, we can go kill an hour somewhere. You guys be okay if we stop and do some shopping since this flight got delayed?
Yeah.
Is that okay? Alright.
As long as you guys are happy.
Thanks, Riley.
I see your faces smiling.
Alright. Thanks. Alright, we'll stop and kill some hour, maybe get some lunch or something.
That sounds like a good idea.
Alright. Riley, Mason, and Maya. We are not dropping Irvin off at the airport. We have a surprise. We are going to stay in a hotel. For 5 days. But that's not all. We love you and wanted to do something special. So we are spending 3 days here. And here. And here. Well,
Thanks.
what do you think? Maya, we're gonna be going to Disney World.
Holy Hotel!
Do you want? That was not the reaction I was hoping for. You guys excited?
Yeah.
All right.
Sorry, were you guys planning? Were you guys lying about them, you know,
What?
him going to his parents' house?
Yes.
Yes.
We lied. It was a good lie though, because you guys
Yeah,
are going
okay,
to Disney
okay,
instead.
I'll take it,
Is that okay?
Yeah, I'll take it.
Are you excited about going to Disney?
Yeah!
Hey, Maya, are you excited you're going to Disney World? You're gonna go to the castle. You're gonna go to the castle. Do you want to go to Disney Castle?
Oh, yeah, Dad.
Yeah? All right, so that was not the reaction I was looking for. I think they were kind of in shock. All right, hold on. Shh. That was not the reaction I was looking for. I think they were kind of in shock, so they just kind of sat there. But they kind of celebrated after I stopped recording. So we had to find guest relations and cash in these tickets, and we'll kind of give you a tour on Disney Springs. All right, we just traded in our Disney tickets, so now we're gonna go get some food at T-Rex Cafe. Mason.
Is it?
Daddy, wanna go fishing?
My son's asking if I want to go fishing. Of course I do. This is Uncle Irvin, who's not going to the airport. Yep. I mean, they had no clue, but I was expecting them jumping around like crazy. A little disappointed, but it's still worth it. Alright, so we just had lunch and we just went into the biggest Disney store in the world, which is I wouldn't recommend going in there because you can't move and get anxiety attacks and stuff like that. So we're gonna head back to the hotel, get settled, and we'll see you at Magic Kingdom, right? Alright, so we surprised our kids with the Disney vacation. They're pumped, they're all excited. Now we're gonna head back to the hotel and check in, get all settled there. And then tomorrow is a big day in Magic Kingdom, so we're really excited and gotta get a good night's sleep because it's gonna be a long day. So we're just at the store grabbing some stuff and gonna head there, and we'll see you guys back at the hotel.